Well, this morning we have our pit, cut corn on the one side, standing beans on the other side, which is a problem. So we're going to set our decoys along in the cut corn and try and get them to land on the outside edge of our decoys and shoot off the one end of the pit. It's a little difficult, but we've done it a couple times and it'll work. Got him, Bill? Yeah, I got it. Let's kill him.
Two.
Woohoo! Got me a bird, baby.
Like it.
Let's go.
So, Mr. Rick, how do you feel that Uncle John's not here?
I'm very disappointed your Uncle John isn't here. I haven't hunted with him yet this year, and it's Thanksgiving, and you know, I was very disappointed he didn't get to come to Canada. But we got a whole bunch of season left.
Yeah.
So
I don't know how many shells I have.